This is IQ Design for Kitchen and Bath Designers, where your finished story does the work. Every project starts with a reference, a slab sample, a tile board, the photo the client keeps coming back to. Bring it in and brief the room the way you'd brief your fabricator. Cabinetry, counters, tile, and light. Then click Generate Images. Four complete kitchens for the same brief. In about a minute, pick the one the project wants to be and click Select and Refine. IQ Design reads the whole room with image components for every surface in it: cabinetry, countertop, backsplash, hardware, and floor. So when the client asks for something warmer and quieter, you change exactly those fields and click Refine further. Only what you changed changes. The counter they already signed off stays exactly as approved. Or specify in plain language. Ask for unlacquered brass hardware, and the room updates around that one change. The design grows new components as the kitchen develops, so a late client request stays inside the same approved room instead of starting the drawing over. Every direction and every revision lives in your gallery. Resume any step, download the visuals, and walk the client through the kitchen, selection by selection. This is IQ Design, working the way kitchen and bath designers work. Bring your next project.